Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can inspect a page in the Arc browser. We need to go to the top left corner, click on the Arc icon, now go to Developer, and over here we have Inspect Elements. Click on it, and then on the right side we should have the Inspect menu. Another thing that you can do is right click anywhere on the page, and then we have Inspect. Click on it, and you will open the same window. However, the difference is that if you do that by right-clicking on the page, then on the right side you will open specifically in the code where you have clicked. And another thing that you can do is pretty much the same thing with one difference. If you right-click on the page and you open the list of options, then you can simply press N on your keyboard in order to quickly open the inspection. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course there's also Control Shift and I combination that opens the inspection on the right side. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.